Look at all this loot! DJ, none for you! Welcome back, I'm Captain Xavier, and I'm still a shameless fan of getting free things. And I believe what we have here is the latest package that NFStrike has sent me, and I believe these are all items that they requested I review, rather than ones that I asked to review. So let's take a look and see if I am correct. I am. Alright, we have something from Worker. Not sure what. Oh! Right. It's one of the dart cutters. It allows you to turn your full-length darts into half darts. It's a 3D printed kit. You slide your darts in there. It's pretty nifty. And they sent me a whole pack of blades, so that's neat. It would seem that the magic number is 4. You need 4 segments of the blade. It's scored so that you can break it off as it dulls normally, but in this case you would break off 4 segments and screw it into there. And that will allow it to line up nicely with the full length of the darts. A random bit of foam that we can cut. It has 2 lengths, 30mm and 36mm, for whichever you prefer. Put your darts in, and just pull it through, and it cuts them perfectly to whatever length you want to turn full darts into half darts. So that is super cool. Solid 3D printer. It is Worker. Yeah, that's pretty nifty. I love that they send you a whole pack of blades. That is pretty cool of them. So if you're into making your own half darts, that would definitely make it pretty simple. Alright, what else did they send me? I have no idea. Oh wait. Yes, I do. They sent me, and Wacom beat me by minutes, the Nerf grenade. And I already have the landmine, now I have the grenade. And this... other instructions? Nope. Apparently I'm winging it. Okay. Well, that is wicked cool. So it looks like it's essentially impact fired. But from what I've seen from reviews, you can put the one side up, and then you can load ammo, like rival rounds, in there. If you have the squishier ones, it looks like you could probably get 2 at least, 2 a side. If you went with some other kind of ammunition that you could fit more in, maybe get 3 if you have the really squishy. This one is actually one of the super rigid ones. Those have some stout to them. Now it's normally meant for loading what these things are, little water pellets. You soak them and they expand. You could also obviously load airsoft BBs into them. Oh, okay, I see how it works. But it has a loading port in the bottom where you could pour in whatever you wanted to pour in, airsoft BBs or water pellets. Obviously, that's not going to be any use to us for Nerf. So there's a weighted end in here that acts as the lock. When that is pressed down, it's locked, and when it comes up, it fires, and so the spoon keeps it in place. It can't come loose. But when you take that out and you throw it and that pops up, then that is free to get jostled when you actually throw it. So that is pretty stinking cool, and I will definitely be doing a video on this as soon as it's not dark. So stay tuned for my testing review on this. And of course, as you can see, and as I absolutely love, it comes in my colors. Big question is, how durable is it? How likely is this to break? It seems to be really good quality plastic. It doesn't look like it would be too difficult to fabricate a metal one. Or 3D print replacements when the time comes. But for now, of course, it's the right size to loop into Molly. So you can just hook it right onto your Molly vest, pull the pin, pull it, and throw. That is absolutely awesome. The fact that we now have landmines and grenades, and I like that for once, unlike the mine, this is relatively bright colors. It's orange, and yeah, the body is black, but the ends are orange. And it doesn't particularly resemble an actual grenade. I mean, obviously it does, you know, to an extent, and you could paint it to resemble a grenade, but as it comes, it's got the bright orange, which is really nice. It's in my colors. I love this thing. I'm gonna have to get more of these because those are just too cool. This is going to change Nerf Wars drastically because there are things you can do with these that you just couldn't do before. And there's stuff you could get away with before that you're not going to be able to get away with as easily when multiple people on the battlefield have grenades. So, definitely going to need to throw the NFStrike logo on this so I know which one's mine, and definitely going to get 2 or 3 more. That is awesome. Okay, stay tuned for a testing video on this. Like I said, it's dark right now, so I can't test it. But I definitely will in the very near future. From what I've seen, they're amazing. Also, highly endorse this because if you're into half darts, this is a great way to make sure they're all exactly the same. It wouldn't be hard to make your own, but it's nice to have one just 3D printed. Nice quality. It also has the 2 exact lengths, and it's all, you know, pretty snazzy. So, I will have the links to both of these items in the description. Again, they came to me from NFStrike. NFStrike, you folks are awesome. Let me know if there's anything else you would like me to review. You guys, let me know if there's anything on NFStrike's website that you would like me to do. This was the most commonly requested item, so that's out of the way now. They already sent it to me. But if there's more stuff you think you would like me to review so that you know whether or not you should buy it, go ahead and let me know in the description or in the comments. And thank you guys for watching.